Hello everyone, this tutorial is very easy. We need only 26 gauge copper wire and I cut two pieces of this wire, and these are some crystal beads. Make a loop with these two wires and I'm going to twist it in this way. Now I have 4 wires here. Insert the beads in the first 2 wires. Just insert the beads and twist the both wires. Just like that. Repeat the same process here with this third and fourth wire. Now you have this second and third wire. So I am inserting my crystal beads in these 2 wires and then twist the both wires. Just repeat the whole process. I am inserting crystal beads in first and second wire, then twist it, and then third and fourth wire, and again the second and third wire, just like this. This is a very easy way to make a wire wrapping bracelet. It's very easy. Anyone can do it, I think, and it makes a very beautiful design. You can see here. In this process, you can also make finger rings, earrings, necklaces, anything you want. This is the whole design, and now you have to twist the 4 wires all together in this way. Cut 2 wires. I only need 2 wires to make the loop, so I cutted the extra wires. Then make a loop here. Now it's completed. I have to just add a S or hook here. Now the bracelet is ready for wearing. Do you like this? If yes, please like and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Please comment. Your comments are my inspiration, and if you have any suggestions or something to tell me, please write in the comment section. Bye bye for now. Have a nice day.